Hazrat Abu Ayyub Ansari radiyallahu anhu states that while Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was embarking on a journey, all at once a desert Arab came and holding the nose string of his she-camel, said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, tell me a thing as will get me close to paradise and away from hell. Hearing it, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam stopped and looking towards his companions said, Only Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has guided him to ask this question. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then faced that man and said, What did you say? He thereupon repeated his question. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Worship Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Don't associate any partner with him. Establish the prayers, pay the poor due, and reinforce the ties of kinship. Now release the nose string of the she-camel. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 104.